Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the text from the lowercase to the uppercase, like capital on your LibreOffice writer on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the lowercase text to the uppercase text, or lowercase font to the uppercase font, or capital letter, small letter to capital letter in LibreOffice writer. Just going to show. So select the text first, then you just need to click on the format option on the top. Okay, just click this, and then you just need to click on the text option. Then you have this drop menu. Here you just go down and you can find an option called uppercase. Just click this, which will change the small letters to the capital letter. This is how you just convert a small letters to the capital letter, or small lowercase to the uppercase on your LibreOffice writer. Just select the text, go to the format, go to the text, and just select the uppercase. This is a way, yes, you can just change any sentence or words to the uppercase on your LibreOffice writer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.